My name is Bunny Yeager. In the late 40s and the early 50s, I became well known as one of Florida's most popular beauty queens and models. Bettie Page was one of my most exciting models, and fortunately she came into my life in 1954 when I was just beginning my career as a professional photographer. Bettie was a New York model and had been posing there for Irving Klaw, Harrison Publications, and several amateur photography clubs. When Klaw ran into some legal problems with an investigation by the Kefauver Committee because of his bondage photography, Bettie decided it was time to take a vacation break and come to Miami for some sun and fun. We did a lot of beach shots and some studio work, but by far the most popular poses were with the cheetahs from a tourist attraction called Africa USA in Boca Raton.